Are you looking for ways to boost your Black Friday marketing campaign this year? Well, here's an easy step-by-step guide if you have any remarketing or win-back campaigns planned for this holiday season. Well, the first thing I wanted to show you is just this generic test file we threw together. Your files can have anywhere from, hundreds of thousands of records. Just for example purposes, we obviously can't use real data due to TikTok restrictions. So in this example, we have an address, a city, and a state. So we're looking for the names, phone numbers, and email addresses, which are the missing pieces of data from this file. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to searchbug.com. You can get logged in to your account. If you don't have an account, just click sign up in the upper right. Accounts are 100% free. Business services going to be under Append contact lists. And we'll scroll down a little bit to choose file. Grab our test file and then go ahead and click continue. Now we're going to identify our column. So since we have a header row, this box already checked. Address, city, and state are already labeled. If we had things in there like customer number or any other proprietary fields, you'd just simply set them as other. Click next step. Then we're going to go down to, let's do a premium. We're going to find contact info from street address. Obviously, this is going to give you number of records in your file, the cost, typical match rates. Now, we have an $11 minimum on our batches. That's why it's showing such a high rate per hit. But obviously, this is just a sample. Process my data. Processing has started. So if you want to check the status of your batch, you just click your name up at the top and then go to bulk dashboard. And then you'll see your file running right here. Once it's done, you'll also get an email alerting you that your file is now ready to download. Because if you need help, just reach out to us. We're available via live chat, phone, or email. Just come on over to searchbug.com and we're here to help.